Today I'm going to be building a race car hauler with the motor in the front and it drives. So yeah. So I gotta get some bodies for the car. I'll be right back. Hold on. Here comes my parents. I'm here. Okay, if you have one of from a dragster, you can use those. And if you want, you can put this little deal on here. Let's put that out for a minute. And then, if you guys have a seat, which I don't, I just use I just use the bottom of it. Yeah, so I was thinking for a minute. So I'm gonna have to steal some panels off this. Gotta find some little panels. So yeah, guys. So if you ever need to do any if you like to build, send that video to me, okay? My link is subscribe. Let's do a like spike in 3, 2, 1. Like spike. You don't know what a like spike is? You press the like button. Yeah. If you don't want to like my video, that's okay. You don't have to. And so, yeah. How about this? This thing don't need a motor. I can stick the motor in the back of my little deal. But it does need the frame. Oh. Okay. Hey. Never mind, guys. I'll just need this. Oh no, it goes like this. Where's the other two guys? Tell me if you guys can find them. Oh no. I'll stick these red deals on them.